Hello guys, welcome to ICA International. ICA Institute of Career Advancement International is a global initiative to work for the educational upliftment by providing subsidized coaching and guidance for competitive exams like COCET. So let's go for Central University Common Entrance Test online coaching platform. Online resources which we provide, which includes short notes, video lectures, question answer discussions, expected MCQs with answers, tips and techniques which will helpful to crack CUCET examinations. Based on your performance, the scorecard will be provided for the mock test and discuss the previous year questions also provided in online resources. The subject that we are concentrating here is about social work, Master of Social Work. Syllabus which included in CUCET exams are social concept, economic concept, political concept, psychological concept, environmental concepts, legal concepts, social reform, social movement, and social change and social transformation. Then sustainable technologies. These are the syllabus that we included in the CUCET exams. So, next will be discuss a model questions asked in QSET examinations. So, let's check it out. What is not a method of social work? From that, first you have to find out which are the methods of social work. Methods of social work: social casework, social group work, community organization, social work research, social welfare administration, and social action. There are 6 methods of social work. Here, the answer is, which is not a method of social work, is from the options political thoughts, social casework, social group work, and community organization. Here, the answer is political thoughts. So, let's go for next question. The act of comprehending, responding to emotional state and ideas of another person is known as. From the option, first you have to know what is sympathy is and what is empathy, what is transference and what is displacement. Sympathy is a feeling of pity and sorrow of someone else's misfortune. Okay, it's a common feeling, right? Then the second option, what is empathy? Empathy is an ability to emotionally understand what other people feel, see things from their point of view, and imagine yourself in their place. That is called empathy. And from the option, we can select empathy as an answer. Okay. Treatment in social work means options: counseling, environment modification, administrations of social service, and all of the above are in the options. So, first you have to find out social treatment is what. It is a maladjusted individual whose attempt to understand his personality, behavior, and social relationships, and also which assist him in working out a better social and personal adjustment. So these sentence we can say that it is depending on counseling and also environment modification and also the administrations of social work, social service. So here we can check it out the answer as option D. So the next question, which is about the year. Question is that the National Human Rights Commission of India was established in the year 1991, 1992, and 1993, 1994. So here we can conclude that uh, the National Human Rights Commission of India was established in the year is 1993 on October 12. So the year-based questions about Women's Day, Mental Health Day that will be expected in these competitive exams. The specialized year based on social work should be known by the QSET crackers. The question peer group could be classified as options tertiary group, secondary group, primary group, and intimacy group. Peer group is a social group and also it is a primary group of people because it has similar interest and also similarity in ages or backgrounds or culture or status, etc. So the peer group can be classified as a primary group. Then what is secondary group? Secondary group is opposite to the characteristics of primary group because it is little bit large than primary group. Okay, and also it is usually a short term course and the group will consist of the populations from workplace or schools, etc. Then what is tertiary? Tertiary group can also be called as a reference group because it is an accepted model or guide which shapes our attitudes, behaviors, etc. Then the question here is about marriage or relationship. What is the role of marrying within one's own community or group termed as? Options are endogamy, exogamy, hypergamy, and hypogamy. On the options, you can just look out that endogamy, that means inside. So the endogamy in the meaning term itself has a meaning is called in marriage. Custom enjoying one to marry within one's own group. So the answer is endogamy. Then option B, what is exogamy? Here the people marry outside one social group. It's marrying from outside social group. Then what is hypergamy? Hypergamy, it is also a marrying a person or spouse of higher caste or higher social status. Then hypogamy, automatically we can say that the marrying a spouse from lower caste or lower status. Here the answer is goes to endogamy. The term ethnography relates to what is ethnography is. It is a study of a human society, or also we can call it as it is a process of making such a study. Okay, it is a study of human society or a process of study. So we can check it out the answer as process. It is a process of study on human society or particular studies. Then, according to whom, society is a web of social relations. It is a well famous definition from McIver. McIver stated that according to social work, society is a web of social relations. It's a complex and changing system of society. But from the option A, who is Cooley? Cooley is whose name is Charles Cooley, whose well-known famous theory is known as looking glass self theory. And also the third option, Parson, Talcott Parson, who is also a well-known famous person. So let's check it out. Talcott Parson developed a theory to study of society called action theory. It's a well famous theory, action theory by Talcott Parson. From the option itself, we have get similar informations regarding theories, their contributions, definitions, etc.